Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing dodgy jar contacts on your TM31, you're not alone. This issue usually arises from wear and tear over time, which can lead to inconsistent connections and ultimately disrupt the appliance's functionality. If left unchecked, it could prevent your Thermomix from operating correctly, making it vital to address the problem as soon as possible. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, replacement contacts for the jar, and a soft cloth to clean any debris. To start, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged for safety. Using the small Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located at the base of the device. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the top cover off, being cautious not to force it as there may be wires connected. Now, let's locate the faulty jar contacts. They are typically found at the bottom section of the unit where the jar connects. You may notice some discoloration or damage which indicates they need replacing. To extract the old contacts, gently pull them out from their housing. Take your new contacts and align them correctly before pushing them back into place. Be sure to apply even pressure, ensuring they fit snugly without forcing them. While working on this, take care to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Using a soft touch will help prevent any accidental breaks. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, reattach the top cover of your Thermomix, making sure all wires are tucked away safely. Replace the screws securely but do not over-tighten them, as this could strip the holes. Finally, plug your device back in and perform a test run to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, double-check the connections you've made. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean the contacts regularly and avoid any moisture around the base of the jar. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the lifespan of your appliance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.